Today I'm going to be taking you on a walk through Melbourne's amazing Federation Square. It is just opposite Flinders Street Station, so here I'm just showing you the walk across from the station. That's beautiful Flinders Street Station. And you literally cross the road. And there is Federation Square. So there's amazing architecture, lots of attractions, and lots of free entertainment on here. So I will be showing you around. Stick around to see what's on at Federation Square and why you should visit. Here you can see the billboard that shows you what's on for the free entertainment that the City of Melbourne puts on. This is the stage at Federation Square. So I've seen quite a few artists and comedy. The free events put on by Melbourne here are absolutely amazing. As you can see on the billboard before, they tell you all about them, but you can look them up on the Fed Square website. So they put seating in this area when there is an event on. You see there's some seating later, but they put a lot more. There's usually food trucks. Been Indigenous art exhibitions I've been to here. It's a really great public space. I wish more cities around the world would create this kind of public space where you can really get to enjoy things and it's free. And at the back we have ACMI, which is the Museum of Moving Images, and one of the NGV, which is National Gallery of Victoria. This is the Ian Potter Centre, which is one of the main parts of the NGV. The other part is just further down St Kilda Road, and that's the sort of main part of it. So I've seen a lot of exhibitions at NGV here at the Ian Potter Centre, including the Cats and Dogs one, which I just put up recently. So be sure to check out my other videos to have a look at what's on there. And you can see here that there's Aboriginal guided walking tours, 1 o'clock Monday to Friday. I'll just put in the QR code if you want to use that to be able to book. I haven't done one of those, but I'd love to. And this is the entrance into the NGV, as I say. Check out some of my other videos to see more about that. I'll be putting up a separate video with a tour of ACMI soon. Please subscribe to see my content first. And I'd really appreciate a like if you enjoyed this video. It really does help my channel grow. Thanks, see you soon.